feel old saying that, but it's true. An idiot. Alright, so there's a lot of there's a lot of fish, including some big ones here in this little pool. And they keep busting the surface really aggressively, so I couldn't help myself. I had the tie on a drop shot, doing this little leech looking lure. I've had success with it before here. It's just a little drop shot rig. I'm just gonna crawl it over the surface, and hopefully one of them will take it. I see a bass sitting right there. Oh man, they're going for those dragonflies. I just realized it. Oh, that's a hit. Got him. I was just dead sticking it too. A little baby bass. Yeah, this is one of them I saw. Just dead sticking it. Right in the top of the mouth. Perfect little hook set. Oh, there he goes. It's a pretty little bass. God, I need to get that monkey off my back. Even if it's just a little guy. Microfishing's always fun. Can never complain. Still got my bait, and I just dead sticked it. So I guess right now when the sun's just starting to come out, they're starting to feed just a little bit. Okay, let's work this short a little bit longer. Give me a bass. Come on. Stop being stingy. You just see bass just flying out of the water. Oh, that's a good fish. There we go. He nailed it. Keep him down. Come on, stay on the... Stay down there, buddy. Let's get you into the shade. There we go. Oh, he threw off my worm, but he wasn't going anywhere. Yo, he slammed it. Perfect. Yeah, it wasn't going anywhere. Well, it's the best fish of the day. He's been hooked quite a bit, but he smacked that. Nice little guy. Take a picture of him. There's my worm. I wonder if I can get it back. Let's see what I can do. All right there, bud. Let me get my worm back. Thanks, bud. I got my one back. Tore it up though, so never mind. Ooh, but yeah, I just let it sit there and he just smacked it. I wasn't really even paying attention. I just felt the line go tight and pulled and yanked down, and I just reeled down on him. That's it, man. This is the dog days of summer fishing, dude. You either gotta fish hard, fish with like power fishing, or fishing finesse like this. So I'm actually gonna switch up bait since I've caught two already. We're gonna go with this little swim bait looking jerk bait thing. It's really more finesse for finesse fishing. I don't have small enough hooks to rig it like a jerk bait or like a swim bait even. So we're just gonna nose hook it just like we did that leech bait, and see how it goes. It looks like that's what they've been hitting on. Just looks like a dead fish, like a dead minnow. So it looks like that's what they've been pushing up to the surface and up to the bank. So maybe it'll entice some bites. Catch something on two different baits. Let's see if you guys can see anything. There's one right there. A whole bunch. There's a big boy. Oh my God. There's 1, 2, 3. There's one that's probably at least 15 inches. That's just sitting right there. There's two. It's 1, 2, 3. I can see. There's a lot of big tilapia. But that's a big girl. That's a big tilapia right there. The bass just turned around and swam. There's another bass coming my way right here. I don't know. I hope you guys can see all this. But dang, man, there's some big bass that's sitting here. Let's look at the other side. Something just moved. Yep, there's the tilapia right there. Wow, something lives in here now. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them up there. Oh, what is that? Damn, it disappeared. Oh yeah, it's a bunch of tilapia. Whole school of tilapia. Alright guys, well, I appreciate you watching. That's it for this video. Just a quick one. I'm glad I was able to catch something. All those little tilapia though at the end, I think I'm gonna come back and I got something planned for them. But I appreciate y'all watching. Remember, if y'all want to get some shirts, we have some long sleeves available for a limited time right now. Don't have much in stock, so get them while you can. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, thanks for the support. Got some videos coming down the pipeline, so stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next one.